Lots of mental health questions are being asked after the death of comedian Robin Williams, and now a local congressman is trying to pass a national mental health bill. SNN's Melissa Warren has more.
What more can we be doing in terms of mental health? Because a lot of people with mental illness are in our jails or in our emergency rooms, and that's got to change.
Congressman Buchanan hosted Congressman Tim Murphy, a Pennsylvania psychologist, at a town hall meeting to discuss his bill, the Helping Families in Mental Health Crisis Act.
We're seeking real reforms. Where the federal government has programs that are ineffective, stop them. Where they're effective, increase them. Where they're redundant, merge them.
Murphy says 40% of the time people who have a mental illness are not aware. During the town hall, several family members echoed their concerns over the level of involvement they're allowed to have in their family members' treatment.
Will they even give you information on who his treating doctor is, what his medication is, when his next appointment is?
They won't even tell me he's there.
Okay.
He said, I want her out. He told the nurse, I want my mother out. They left me in a hallway for hours. I had no idea what they were doing with him.
Murphy says the bill aims to change HIPAA law to allow healthcare professionals to share some basic information with families.
That you would be able to share just enough information. When's the next appointment? What's the treatment plan? What's the diagnosis? What's the medication? In order to facilitate that person getting better.
Buchanan says there hasn't been any major reform regarding mental health care since JFK's presidency, and Murphy says he hopes the attention paid to the recent apparent suicide of Robin Williams will focus attention to the cause.
We now had 40,000 suicides in this country last year and 1 million suicide attempts. And all those families, they're also deeply touched by this. They recognize the need for this. And quite frankly, I hope if there's a positive that can come out of what happened to Robin Williams, is those families will contact their member of Congress and say, please do something. Don't just let this slide by again.
The bill also addresses the need for more physicians and facilities to treat those with mental illness. House Democrats have their own version of mental health legislation.